Hello everyone, you are welcome on Azure Overflow. Today we will see how to know language of browser using JavaScript and TypeScript. We will see in both languages. So first we'll see in JavaScript. So here this is a button, and when we click the button it will call the function show language and it will invoke this code. So here I am using navigator. So navigator.language will return the language of browser, and it will be used to store in lang variable, and it will be printed here. So just let me click here. So I click the click me button, and here it is on console. It is printing English US. Now again I will do the same thing in TypeScript. So here also it is printing English language US. So let me change the language. Now I am using display Chrome in this language, that is Hindi. So just use that. I will just copy the code so that when it will reload, then it will not be gone. So relaunch this, leave. It is relaunched. So let me again paste the code here. So let me just delete the script and paste it here. Now just again do click me and see, this is HI, that is Hindi. Now again TypeScript I will see. So this is Hindi. So this is how we can detect language uh, of browser using JavaScript or TypeScript. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Heroes Overflow.